Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we are going to be doing the best sweet potato recipe, I think. You can do this for Christmas, you can do this for Thanksgiving, you can do this for a side dish. It is the perfect side dish. Let me tell you guys, it is so good. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here I've already cleaned and washed the sweet potatoes. Now I am cutting off the edges and I am getting ready to peel them. So if you're able to get a nice size medium sweet potato, this does serve 5 to 8 people. Okay, so now that our yams have all been peeled, we are now going to slice them, or cut them rather, into about a 1/2 inch thick. So next what we're going to do is take those yams and put it into a 9x13 baking dish, or if you have an aluminum pan, that will work as well, just like so. Okay, so now it's time to add in the ingredients. So the first step is to melt some butter. I use salted butter here, 8 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add in all of the ingredients. I will add the list of all the ingredients down below. And then you're just going to mix all of your ingredients all together on medium heat. Make sure you are stirring occasionally. And then it will start to look like this. Once you add in the last step, which is the vanilla extract, you want to actually turn the stove off. Okay, so after we're done with that mixture, we're just going to go ahead and add that on top of our yams. Make sure everything is lightly coated. And then we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil. And make sure you preheat your oven to about 350 degrees. Okay, and so here I did take them out at 30 minutes. Just so that I can coat it a little bit more, and then I'll put them back in the oven for another additional 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, guys, just go ahead and remove it from the oven, and it should look like this. Again, guys, this is the best sweet potato recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below.